गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी। अपन ने लास्ट लेक्चर में पढ़ा था इंट्रोडक्शन अबाउट जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग एंड डेफिनेशन ऑफ जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग, व्हाट इज रिकॉम्बिनेंट डीएनए मॉलिक्यूल्स, एंड टुडे वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट टूल्स एंड टेक्निक्स ऑफ जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग, which tools are used to form a recombinant DNA molecule, or so the biological tools which are used in the synthesis of recombinant DNA molecule. First one is the enzymes, second one is the vector or vehicle to transport the DNA molecule, थर्ड वन इज द पैसेंजर डीएनए या जिसको अपन कहते हैं टारगेट डीएनए या जीन ऑफ इंटरेस्ट, और फोर्थ वन इज होस्ट सेल. सो दीज फोर डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ टूल्स विच आर रिक्वायर्ड टू create a recombinant DNA molecule and then produce a large number of copies of these recombinant DNA molecules. So, first of all, we discuss about enzymes. So, in genetic engineering, a number of specific kind of enzymes are required, in which first one is the template dependent DNA polymerase. Template dependent DNA polymerases are those DNA polymerases which require DNA molecule as a template for the synthesis of new DNA molecule, in which first one is the DNA polymerase enzyme. DNA polymerase enzymes require DNA template for the synthesis of new DNA molecule. In this, there are two categories: DNA dependent DNA polymerase. DNA dependent DNA polymerase. Second one is DNA dependent RNA polymerase. DNA dependent RNA polymerase are those enzymes which require DNA as a template molecule for the synthesis of RNA. Third one is RNA dependent DNA polymerase. These are the enzymes which are required RNA as a template for the synthesis of DNA polymerase, in which reverse transcriptase is a type of RNA dependent DNA polymerase which synthesizes complementary DNA from the mRNA molecule. Fourth one is RNA dependent RNA polymerase. RNA dependent RNA polymerase. These are those enzymes which for RNA enzymes which form RNA molecules from the RNA template, and these enzymes are required in the processing of mRNA molecule during the formation of poly A tail. And the name of enzyme which is RNA dependent RNA polymerase, that is poly A polymerase enzymes. So these are four different types of DNA dependent polymerases, or DNA polymerase, DNA dependent RNA polymerase, RNA dependent RNA polymerase, or RNA dependent DNA polymerase. These all are require template molecule for the synthesis of new डीएनए और आरएनए मॉलिक्यूल। एक होता है टैग डीएनए पॉलीमरेज। टैग डीएनए पॉलीमरेज is required during the synthesis of new DNA molecule in polymerase chain reaction. In polymerase chain reaction, temperature is very high, so normal DNA polymerase cannot work on that temperature. In this condition, a thermostable enzyme is required for the synthesis of new DNA polymerase, and this quality is found in tag DNA polymerase, which is extracted from Thermus aquaticus bacteria, which lives in hot springs and it can tolerate high temperature. So these are the template dependent DNA polymerases. Next is the nucleases enzymes. Nucleases are the enzymes which digest or degrade the DNA molecule by breaking the phosphodiester bond. You know that the phosphodiester bond is found between two phosphate molecules, and the glycoside bond is found between sugar and nitrogenous base. So nucleases degrade only the phosphodiester bond. So these nucleases are of two types. First one is exonucleases. Exonucleases are those nucleases which removes nucleotides from the ends of DNA molecule. For example, this is the one strand of DNA molecule, and this one is the another strand of DNA molecule. So exonucleases cut from the ends of DNA molecule, either from the 3' end or either from 5' end of DNA molecule. It cuts and remove the nucleotide from ends of nucleo DNA molecule. Second one is the endonucleases, which removes or break the internal phosphodiester bond in a DNA molecule. For example, this is the single-stranded DNA molecule in which endonucleases cut into the internal side of the DNA and separate into two fragments. So these two different types of nucleases. There are different types of nucleases, in which first is the Monk-Bean nucleases. It is a type of endonucleases which cut only single-stranded DNA and RNA molecule and requires zinc ions for its catalytic activity. Means Monk-Bean nucleases हैं वो सिंगल स्टैंडर्ड डीएनए या आरएनए के इंटरनल साइड से न्यूक्लियोटाइड को रिमूव करने का काम करता है, और यह मोंग बीन से एक्सट्रैक्ट किया गया था। किससे एक्सट्रैक्ट किया गया था? मोंग बीन से। सेकेंड वन इज S1 nuclease. It is also a endonuclease which is purified from a fungus, that is Aspergillus oryzae. It degrades only single-stranded DNA or RNA, but leave intact double-stranded DNA or DNA hybrid. Means it only cut single-stranded DNA or RNA, but not cut double-stranded DNA or a hybrid of RNA or DNA. Only single-stranded DNA और RNA को रिमूव करता है। थर्ड वन इज RNase A. RNase A is also a endonuclease enzyme which degrade single stranded RNA from the 3' end of pyrimidine residue. यह केवल सिंगल स्टैंडर्ड आरएनए को रिमूव करता है कौन से एंड से 3' एंड से. फोर्थ वन इज RNase H. RNase H is also an endonuclease which digests the RNA strand of an RNA DNA hybrid or but not digest single stranded DNA or double stranded DNA. मीन्स जो आरएनए और डीएनए का हाइब्रिड है उसमें से यह ओनली आरएनए वाले पार्ट को रिमूव करने का कार्य करता है, लेकिन यह डबल स्टैंडर्ड डीएनए या सिंगल स्टैंडर्ड डीएनए को रिमूव नहीं करता है. नेक्स्ट क्लास में अपन स्टडी करेंगे रेस्ट्रिक्शन एंडोन्यूक्लिएजेज.